Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Magali. So we're gonna be doing this cute ass avocado set. So I started off with the lighter green and I went ahead and dipped all my strawberries that color. And then after we did that, I went ahead and added more of the green. And this is green by Chameleon. I believe that's what it's called. Everything will be linked down in my description so you guys know exactly what I'm using for this video. So anyways, for each strawberry, I went ahead and just dipped like the back of the actual strawberry, and I just tilted the strawberry just a little bit to the sides so you can be able to see the darker green from the front. So for each berry, of course, I had to put different faces on each one. So on one of them, I did the black circles with a little smiley, and then a winky face, a little like sour face, and then another one was just like the eyes with lashes, like, you know what I mean? So yeah, they're like all super cute. They're their own person, okay? If you guys like this video, please go ahead and leave me some avocado emojis down in the comments because these came out so cute. I love them. So for the berries, I did only do 2 of them having the brown heart and then 2 of them having the green heart, because you know how one side of the avocado has the seed and then the other side is like hollow. So yeah, I hope like people understood that, because I feel like every time I see somebody do an avocado set, they always just do the brown, and I'm like, what happened to the other half? Like, did they get eaten? Were they made into guacamole? Like, let me know. But this is each other's other half, so that's what I had to do. Okay. And you guys, don't forget the little details. I went back and did the little glares on the ones with the black eyes, and then on every single one of the berries, I went ahead and did little blush on them. Isn't this so cute? If you guys want to see a tutorial on how I do my breakable boxes, please let me know. People are always so shook that I cut up my whole little heart. Like, I had to, okay? Like, I could not figure out how to get the heart out without breaking the whole freaking heart. Like, it would always get cracked. I could not save this. Don't even get me started, you guys. I really struggled with breakable hearts at the beginning, but I cut mine all over in the corners, so I'm good now. You guys, my friend actually helped me get this little pun. I could not find a pun that I wanted to use. I didn't want to be basic and do the whole let's avocado, or what is it? Avocado? Some shit like that. And I'm like, no, like everybody does that. I want to do it a different one. So she ended up looking up some, and we came across this one that says "You're right for me." And it's so cute. I absolutely love it. So shout out to my girl Yvette, because she really out here helping me all the time. So you guys know that I always gotta add a little extra stuff. So I went ahead and grabbed some hearts, and then I just placed them on like the side where it says ripe. I did them on each corner, and I think they came out so cute. Like, it added a little bit of extra pizzazz, and it just tied everything together. So yeah, if you guys like my video, go ahead, comment some avocado emojis, leave me a like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you guys. I'm excited to bring more Valentine's Day content because it's our busiest time of the year for us chocolate covered strawberry small businesses. I wish you guys lots of luck for this holiday. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye.